Today we're going to be reviewing the letters A and the letter U. As you know, both of those letters are vowels. A says what sound? It says ah, like you're scared, and it also says the sound A. Then we have the letter U. Letter U says and it also says its name, U. Today we're going to be reviewing and identifying words that have either the A or the A sound, which is the A, or the U, which says the sound. So I'm going to draw a picture, and I want you to think in your brain, what sound do you hear in the middle of the word? Are you going to be hearing the A sound, or are you going to be hearing the sound? Are you ready? Okay. First picture we have is a sun. N. Do you hear a or do you hear If you said you are correct. Sun. Okay, let's erase. I've got a really good one. Are you ready? Something that is your favorite, but also my favorite, that we've talked about a lot in class. I have a feeling before I even draw that you may know what it is, and that's okay. Are you ready, Freddie? All right, here we go. I think you will know right away. It is a cat. Cat. Do you hear the a or the You said a. You are correct. Cat. Today, that's going to be your job. Can you identify if the word has an a sound or an sound? Let's get started. Today, you're going to have 2 pages. One page is for the a sound, and one of them is for the sound. You're going to be able to tell by looking at the very top right here. Let me see if I can highlight that just a little bit better. Right here at the top, if it says the A at the top, it's going to be the a. If it shows the U, it's going to be the So this very first page, we're going to be looking at each picture and seeing, do they start, or not start, do they have the middle sound that says a, or do they not? So we're going to start with the first word. First picture is a bug. B-U-G. Do you hear the a in this word? Okay, I do not either, so we're going to mark that picture out. Next picture is a bag. B-A-G. Okay, we hear that a, so we're going to add that a. Okay, we're going to go to the next one, which is a cab. K-A-B. Okay, it has the a sound, so we're going to put an a. Next one is fan. F-an. I know it's hard to hear this one, but we've talked about how an is in the word, and A-N makes an, so this one will have that A. Next one is kid. K-I-D. No, we hear the I sound, not the a sound. Next one is map. M-A-P. Map. Yep, we hear that a right in the middle. Bottom, bib. B-I-B. No, we do not hear it. Next one is bat. B-A-T. Okay, we hear that a sound, so we're going to add that a. Last one is jam. J-am. We talked about when we hear am, that A-M makes that sound. It makes am, so we're going to add that a. Then we're going to move on and go to the short U page. Now we are on the short U page. You can tell from the very top right up here it shows a U. You can also tell in the corner that it'll show that U. So on this page, we're going to be basically doing the same thing. The only difference is that instead of looking for words that have the sound, we're going to look for words that have the sound. If they have the then we're going to write a U. If they don't have that sound in the middle, then you're going to mark it out. So first one is sun, n. Well, we know from the practice that we did sun already and that it does have the so we're going to add that U in the middle. Sun. Next one is cup. Up. Yes, you're right. It does have that in the middle. Pot. Ot. Okay, no, we don't hear that U sound. We hear ah. Tub. B. Okay, we hear that U sound. We're going to put that U in. Kid. D. No, it does not have the sound. Mud. Ud. Yes, we hear that Jam. Jam. No, it does not have the Bug. Bug. Yeah, we'll add the U. And last but not least is n. No, it does not have the U. Your job is going to be to go through both of these pages just like I did. Write in the letter that it is asking for, and if you don't hear that sound, I want you to put an X on it. When you're done with both, make sure that you hit save and then hit submit.